Good day. Today we are here at our farm. Little farm of theirs. We're just having it. Bulot-buloting it. So I will show you our project eggplant. Yeah, this is our project eggplant. You can see they have some problems. So can you please guide me? Teach me how to doogie. But the good news is they are now have fruits. Yeah. As you can see, they have small fruits. So hopefully for our next outcomes, they will become bigger. Like this. You see this one? Oh, it's very small, so we'll remove it. Oh, look the texture. It's just like it's ripened. Or sun. Basta I don't know. So that's the end of our video. Thank you for following me and supporting me. This is our project eggplant, and I will update you for the next videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.